What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here the best crypto app here to buy the Shiba Inu coin, okay, as you guys have heard of. All right, this in my opinion is the best app at the moment. It's very simple, basically no fees at all, and it's very easy, not complicated. You don't have to buy a certain crypto and then transfer it to another one. You just buy straight away using even a credit card, right? So I'm gonna show you guys here how to do this. Number one, you want to get this app. It's called crypto.com, or I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And if you decide to get it by the end of this video, if I convince you, use my referral code. And the reason why you want to use my referral code is because you basically get $25 free. And I'll probably make a video in the future on this card, which you basically get like up to 8% back. But you guys are here to buy the Shiba coins. So Shiba is on crypto.com now. Let me show you guys here how to buy it. After you make an account, all you gotta do is click right over here, and then you're gonna click right here on buy, and then right here you can search up any coin that you want. And we're gonna search up Shiba. Awesome. So this shows up. Now what's awesome too, when you sign up, you get 30 days of no fee using your credit or debit card, which is awesome because it just makes it a lot easier to get your money in here than from transferring it from a bank. But you can get up to, as it says right here, 2% waived, 30 days left. Right, so you definitely want to get that 30 days after signing up and using your credit card or your debit card. In this case, I use my debit card, so you're gonna want to add your debit card and credit card. I should say here at the bottom. After you add your debit card or your credit card, all you gotta do is right here. So I'm actually gonna show you guys here me buying it, my first time buying it, the Shiba coin right here. Perfect. I want to get around $25 here worth of the Shiba coin, and all you gotta click is buy. You click right here to check I understand. And then you put in your passcode, all right, that you set up in the beginning of the app. And you got to do that all kind of quick because the price is always changing. So after you do that, it should be loading here. You just purchase the amount of a Shiba coin. It tells you right there off the bat. You click anywhere, and then awesome. Let's see where it's at. Let's see where it is. So right here, so I used my debit card and I purchased $25.41 worth of the Shiba coin right here. And to see where it's at, all you got to do is click your account, click crypto wallet, and boom, right there it tells you right there 770,000 Shiba coins, and it's worth right now $25.41. So that's basically, it's just that simple, guys. This app is amazing. This is definitely the easiest way, just buying with your debit card or credit card for the first 30 days. I recommend doing it that way because it's the fastest way, and then you can add your bank or whatever so you can have no fee. But this is the fastest way. There's a lot of apps out there where you got to literally transfer it from Ethereum or XLM to like an other to USD Tether. And no, just get crypto.com, use my referral obviously for the future, so you get $25 for free literally, and then just buy Shiba this way. Right now, since it's literally growing so much, if this gets listed on some other app, it's probably gonna explode even more, so might as well get into this as soon as possible. So that's how you do it, guys. Crypto.com, all the links and the referral code in the description below. Leave a comment below if you guys got any questions, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.